Which of the following phenomena support wave theory of light? We are all aware that interference as well as diffraction, these are the two prominent things in support of the wave theory of light. If there is interference kind of a thing we can see, then we can say certainly it is a wave, and diffraction in the same way. Diffraction is basically bending of light around the corner of the obstacle. Okay, and as far as scattering is concerned, scattering is also attributed to the wave theory to a certain extent, because if you have heard of this Rayleigh's criteria for scattering, criterion for scattering, that scattering is inversely proportional to the fourth power of the wavelength. And on the other hand, the basis of Newton's particle theory, basis of Newton's particle theory was that particle of light have constant mass. Okay, so this was the basic assumption in the Newton's corpuscular theory about the light, because Newton was one of the biggest supporter of the particle theory of light. And if we go into the detail under this particular assumption that particles of light have got the constant mass, then we get to know that speed of light in water should be greater than in air. If we go into the details of this, basically that is not in the scope of this particular video. So if we go into this particular detail, then we'll get to know, then according to this assumption, the speed of light in water should be greater. But according to experiment, the speed of light in water was found to be less than that it was in case of air. So it was also a major blow to the particle theory. Okay, so here all the options seems to be supporting the wave theory of light. So in my opinion, all of them are some way or other connected to the wave theory of light.